Hello, welcome to our video. This is me from Elestar and this is my partner Christine.
Hello.
Today we are going to introduce a new item that we have released recently. This is an inverter pump called model PYPZ-550E. And first of all, let's close the camera to see the appearance of our pumps. As you can see, we have adopted a new design for this pump, which means this pump you can only find in our Elestar factory. We have using the gray and black color to make it more advanced, and the out casing is made of plastic, and of course the weight is very light. Yeah. And compared with the traditional pump, I think some of you may be very curious about what is the difference between them. So in the next step, we will show you the operation field of these two pumps and show you the difference between them.
Okay, now let's show how to use this pump. After clicking the power button, both keys need to press together to unlock this pump, and the pump will start running. It should be noted that during the first use, it's necessary to fill the pump body with water to ensure that it's filled with water. As you can see, no matter how many taps I turn on now, the water output is very stable and the noise is very low, which doesn't have a big impact on daily life. This is one of the biggest advantages of magnum pumps with constant pressure and low noise.
Compared with the traditional pumps, there are differences between them. The traditional pump cannot support constant pressure and have an extremely high operation noise.
And this pump totally has 3 horsepower, 0.5, 0.75 and 1 horsepower. This pump is 0.75 horsepower and the maximum head can reach about 50 meters high. The maximum flow can reach about 75 liters per minute.
But for traditional pump, under the same power range, the head and flow is much lower than inverter pump. Like the traditional jet pumps, the head is only about 40 and the flow is only about 40, much lower than inverter pumps.
Yes, and this pump also have self-priming function. The suction can reach about 8 meters high. In addition to the constant pressure and the low noise, this pump also have other advantages. For example, it's smart start and stop. When the top closes, the pump will automatically close. And also it has water shortage protection and overload protection. It can protect the motor and extending the serve life of the pump. And if you will see some other codes on the pump during using, you can refer our menu and contact us.
I believe that most of you are curious about what is inside of this pump. So we have invited our engineer to help us to disassemble this pump to show you the inside parts of this pump. And now we have disassembled all the parts of our inverter pump, and you can see an overall general view of these inverter pumps. This is the front cover of the inverter pump. The top cover, the panel, the control board, the button cover, the small water tank, and the sensor.
And pump body. And this is stator. And the mechanical seal, impeller, diffuser, and the other accessory parts.
For this pump, we have 4 impellers inside and 3 diffusers. and all the material is made of plastic. Of course, it also have the self-sucking accessories to make it achieve the self-sucking capability. And we would also like to introduce the difference of the traditional rotor parts and the permanent rotor parts. It is permanent rotor and it is traditional one. You can see the difference very, very frequently. And also, the stator parts, the traditional pump stator and the permanent stator. And that is the difference between the traditional pumps and the inverter pumps. And we have introduced all parts of the inverter. If you have any questions, you can also contact us at any time. And that is all about our today's introduction about these new pumps. If you have any questions, you can just contact us at any time. Thank you very much.
See you next time.
See you.